So far, currently the market is running 347 pips from liquidity, and that's when I'm being a liquidity in mwechiche. Liquidity is crazy. You can clearly see that impulsive movement has already come. Hi guys, for those people who are joining live on YouTube, I did the video in the morning about liquidity, and now we have around 8 people right now. Give those shout out. How many people I managed to take this entry? How many people managed the? So, how many pips have we been able to achieve? Over 300 pips from over 349 pips. And I also did this analysis in the morning when I was marking the liquidity entries for you guys. And how many people are here on still in the morning analysis? We have around 9 people. And also kirudi kwa YouTube zangu asubuhi utapata nikiwa explain all these, how we take entries in liquidity. Yeah. Sasa hata mnisalimie bana. Nani Daniel Muridhi anauliza tutoke ama? From there you can secure, but usifungue zote because I'm expecting the buys zipush kwanza, push kwanza. Bado hujamaliza buy zake. Maniegu, a lot of people I know amechukua. Even I shared this signal on my VIP. For those people walikuwa wamechukua na kina nani? Even I shared it on my VIP and also my free Telegram group. Currently we are learning 350 pips. Vox kidogo, hebu niko live YouTube. Bado sijafunga, niko live YouTube kidogo.
Sawa.
Okay. How many people? Just comment down on the comment down kwa nini kwa YouTube. Let me see how much are you making? How much are you running in dollars? How much are you in profit? Daniel, ulichukua na lot size kubwa. Hope will increase lot size because kwa liquidity never fear to increase the lot size. And I normally see that we do this analysis early every day in the morning. You remember, for those people to record now, around 9 a.m., I did this analysis, gave this setup for the liquidity on my YouTube channel. And also people are running in it. The people on Yamechukua, I can see Obire. Also Obire Walter will chukua the entry. And I gave it also on free Telegram group. And you come to this on VIP, from VIP, I shared it also on VIP and also shared it on free community. So you should be missing out if you're not on any community or on any of my community groups. This is how you're supposed to make like 100K very quickly. You're supposed to be this is how you're supposed to make like $1,000 quickly using this strategy, because this strategy ainanga ati venye utaka ukilag into losses ama nini. It's a very good and a very sniper entries. Helps you to have very good sniper entries. Someone is saying, can you explain how to take setups on liquidity? Cecilia, we normally explain this each and every day in the morning, how to take setups on liquidity and how you can be able to confirm that the liquidity imefanya nini, imeswipiwa. Daniel anasema amechukua na 0.01 20 USD. 20 USD is a lot with a 0.01. Imagine kama ungekuwa increase lot size. Kama a micro lot size, you are making $20. How about like a nini? I hope you guys made money. I just come in New York just to remind you about the liquidity na setup. Trading inafai kwa hivyo peke yake hivyo tu, unaona unakuwa very simplicity in terms of simplicity in terms of analysis hivyo tu. I remember in the morning the Nyami market it range up and I warned everybody. And if you go to today's YouTube analysis, uta watch the way I did those analysis. Utapata my full explanation. Ukirudi video yenye next after this, uta watch everything how I was explaining this. And you guys, I was explaining to you how you're not supposed to train like kama you're not sure about a certain entry. Someone is saying a check silver. Hata nilikuwa bado TikTok sahi whenever this market approach liquidity entry. Can you explain how what's the time for morning sessions? Morning session ingianga 9 in the morning. Yeah, 9 a.m. in the morning. So from 9 a.m. you can be check out my YouTube channel. Utakuwa na these analysis. Maniego anasema check out for silver. Na silver sina kwa list yangu, but I rarely trade silver. I show setups on XAUSD. Yeah. Apart from only 2 people, because in the morning we had over 50 people on the live stream on YouTube. How many people benefited from this setup? Watu wangapi wali benefit from this morning setup? Because I gave this liquidity entry today in the morning pale YouTube. Same trades, poa sana. Let me check out for you silver, but I rarely watch it out. I mean, and also I'll do a back nitaangalia hizo pia zenye zote tuliangalia in the morning, and then we angalia zenye zili work out XAG. Chotoke XAG USD. There's not much difference in silver, lakini unaona gold make that impulsive move. Pia silver naona swipe liquidity pia the same way na USD. Nini the same with gold as gold, because they have the same positive correlation sana. Yeah. And you can clearly see, let me show in 5 minutes how you can be able to catch this entry. Utaona ukikuja hapa kwanza 5 minutes. Unaona hapa hivi. Unaona venye market ukirudi hapa kwa 5 minutes notice. Unaona ikandosikia kwanza venye ilishuka hadi hapa. Ukirudi hapo na kuja ungeshikia hapa. Exactly from there all the way up hadi hapa, that's over 386 pips. Kwa hivyo with na stop loss ingekuwa 67. So with account ya 500 ungepiga lot ya 1. Hizi ni zile entries unapiga lot ya 1. These will make like 500k once you take the risk $500 and get like 500k within like in the next like 15 to 30 minutes. Yeah, Daniel Msoka, poa sana. Any other question? Na hii usichukue entries kama you're not well like umeconfirm vizuri. Lazima ukue very in terms of processes na jua how to take these entries za liquidity. Yeah. This is one of the best so entries pia tumechukua this week, consider tulianza analysis leo asubuhi. Yeah, how many people benefited from these entries? We have around 26 people on YouTube right now, 12 people on TikTok. For those people watching me on TikTok for the first time, I'm always like nafanyanga YouTube analysis. Yeah, so I do YouTube analysis live. Hadi naona watu wameanza kunitumia screenshots kwa WhatsApp wenye alichukua that liquidity kwa YouTube. Huyo alichukua na 0.2 ako na profit ya $800. Anaitwa Juani. Uko YouTube live na mimi? Kwa profit ya $812 with a 0.2. Na unajua ni 0.2 si hata lot size ya 1. 0.2 ndo ana make $800. Sniper entries, and this is what we call sniper. And let me show those people on TikTok. This is what we call sniper entries. Angalia. So this shows you that this person really knows what they were doing in terms of strategy, in terms of entry. And I've been doing a lot of these analysis every day in the morning. This is one of my like analysis angle. This is one of the things ufai kuwa miss out. Like you're missing out a lot. Wewe watu wakilia sijui maandamano na nini. You see people are making money. People are making very good amount of money with just a simple analysis that you just know how to identify liquidity in the market. $800 is more than 100,000 Kenyan shilling. YouTube siwezi onyesha because I'm showing on I'm live on YouTube using TradingView, so huwezi ona when you're on YouTube, huwezi ona, but yeah, I know you can hear me what I'm saying now. Kwani nishatoka live? I think nafaa nikuwe live bado. Okay. Who else? Watu wanasema wako ndani. I see Anjao anasema yes ako ndani. Simon Bulu anasema ako ndani. John Waweru, my first live sir. John Waweru, so John Waweru, nimekufunza forex, how can it be your first live? Yeah. So easy setup hata 0.1 sahi unafaa kuwa umeona more than 50,000 with the 0.1 lot size using this kind of liquidity. Yeah. According to you, to that gold move, which other liquidity sweep should we target now? We don't have any liquidity. For those people who know me very well in terms of analysis, napeananga entry moja ama mbili. So hii imeisha hivyo tu. Actually, when you're condemned, they're supposed to be securing their money because there's no any other entry until tomorrow we see what the market has really of what to offer for us. Mimi tu nakujanga live dakika mbili tatu, but you'll make money. So I think we have exhausted, unless someone has another question. For those people who are on my YouTube, just comment down below. You can just comment or ask me any question as I will answer. And TikTok guys, end this live stream. Go ahead, come on, watch and then again YouTube is Dr Forex. That's where you're going to find me. Niko YouTube live. So because my phone is occupied, so I want to use this phone. How many people did you make money today using liquidity? Shiku Dhauri, kama hukuna pesa na nilikuwa na asubuhi kwa live stream yangu hapa. You should unafaa kuwa umeunda pesa pia. I saw you in the morning. Kama ulifollow what I said, unafaa kuwa umeunda pesa. Out of drawdown with gold trades. Out of drawdown with gold. What out of drawdown? What do you mean by Shiku? Drawdown how? It may take how long? These are 5 minutes. Candlestick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 15 minutes, the market has been able to achieve more than 380 pips. 380 pips. Let me show you something here. Let's calculate these pips. All the way from here to here. That's over. Oh, actually more than 400 pips within 15 minutes, and people have already made money. For those people on YouTube live, it's their first time and they have made money. They are on the trade. They are in. And when come back here, you can clearly see from the screenshot, and this is how you can be able to catch. Let me show you something. This is how you can be able to catch sniper entry. You see the 0.2 more than $800. So even a 0.1, it's easy for you to make like 50,000 with just a simple entry and simple analysis by understanding what liquidity strategy means. What else, guys? What else, guys? What else, guys? Do you mean? What else, guys? We have around 28 people watching. And also share this live stream to your friend. Be sharing this live stream to your friend because they can be benefiting from my live stream. Acha nisome comments. According to that move, what other liquidity sweep? Nimesema hakuna liquidity ingine Tina Wambua until kesho. Hatuna any other liquidity. And then market iende huko juu kabisa. Shikruk Dharu anasema ni kwa mafutani. Yes, congratulations. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank guys waiting for the setup since morning. Evans Kiprop. Thank you. I think Evans, I saw you in the morning pia wewe kwa live stream yangu. It means kwa profile yangu ilikuwa kwa drawdown na nimetoka. Thank you so much. Hii setup moja imekutoa kwa drawdown. Okay. So I don't think I have something else guys. We can come up kesho. Kutrade ni hivyo simple. Unaona nimekuja nimwambie trading inafai kwa hivyo. Si kushinda hapa hivi tu. And then nimewafunza kuweka bell. So we come back tomorrow again. We get that liquidity. Yeah. Next explain liquidity sweep. Cecilia, I do offer training kwa shule yangu. We do funza hizo liquidity sweep. So kama uelewi liquidity sweep, utaonanga tu tukimark tunaelezea how you take entries. So unaweza kuja pia kesho asubuhi utasikia tu. Utasikizia because hata sasa nikikuelezea we don't have any liquidity to show you that we have another entry. Hiyo imeisha hivyo tu. Liquidity inakusaidia to make that quick easy money for you. Yeah. Apart from gold, which other pair? I was checking oil. Hebu nionyeshe oil. Apart from gold, I saw oil pia ilikuwa sawa na imeshinda hapo, pita nimerudi chini, nilikuwa nimeacha imeanza kumove, bado ijaguza stop loss yetu, still within the movement, but I can't recommend, it's too much ranging on that, imerange sana. USD CHF we didn't have any view, GBP CHF no view, USD CAD no view, XAUSD we had a view on the liquidity. AUDSD we were looking for retrace hapo, haikurudi hapo. GBP USD I gave a retracement sells, na kuna mtu alikuwa ananiuliza buys ni nani, ni Shiko Karidhi yule alikuwa ananiambia buys, nikamwambia GU ni sells. Euro USD sells, Euro AUD nilikuwa naongoja irudi kwa this liquidity, haikurudi. Euro CAD nilikuwa nimepeana more sells pia. GCAD nilikuwa nimepeana more sales from the liquidity, iko active. GBP AUD haikurudi bado kwa liquidity. USD JPY pairs we didn't analyze them. Let's go to AUD NZD, hii ndo tulichukua pia. I gave, imesumbua hapo tu, imesumbua tu hapo. CAD JPY imeko tu, no JPY pairs we were not checking any pair. And then we go to oil. Oil ndio hiyo nimepeana, is still active within AUD CAD. AUD CAD tulikuwa napeana sales hapa, haikurudi. And then we go to BTC. Let's go to BTC. BTC nimekuwa nimengoja irudi kwa liquidity, haikurudi. GBP NZD, this one iliguza stop loss. Euro NZD ndo iko active sahi. You need to confirm using liquid, no order block, because it's an order block. And also kama uja watch this analysis, go back to my YouTube video ingine, utawatch venye nilikuwa naelezea. GJ atuangalie GJ silver ilikuwa tunatumia the same liquidity. Euro NZD currencies leo to be honest zimekuwa slow. Hakuna hata currency imemove more than 20 ama 30 pips. The only pay imetupea pips ni gold, imetupea more than 400 pips. Yeah, Euro NZD kwa wapi nataka kuangalia. Ndio imefika kwa order block, but this one you need to confirm. So once umepata confirmation from that, and then unaweza execute. But currencies today they have been very slow. Let me give you, acha niwape series yangu. Unajua sasa inawafanyanga free live stream. Ile siku nitakuja kwanza kucharge, naambia kuingia live stream yangu ni dhao. So the thing is, make sure you make enough money. So as I start charging, you have money to pay. So every day nikikuja live stream, hebu chukua kitabu na kalamu. Wewe nisikize tu. Nikisema ni hapa. Wewe una mark tu. Kama hizo ni liquidity nimesema ni hivyo na hapo, na unatumia stop loss zenye nimekupea. At the end of the day, you're going to make money. Just follow everything. And before you continue, guys, hit that like button. We have around 8 likes and we have over 30 people here. So either very day, unakuja tu wewe kitabu na kalamu, wewe sikiza tu. The only thing unaona nakubaliana na mimi unaenda nayo. Kama ukubaliana na mimi unaachana nayo. Sasa lakini kuja utusikize hapa, utaonanga tumekuja ku-execute baadaye, unashangaa tuli-execute aje. Because we do a lot of analysis. Like you can see the whole page. I did over 30 pairs. And you can keep everything. Not just for me, I keep everything because I'm the one who is doing it. So memory yangu inaweza keep is everything. But wewe kunisikiza on the other end, it's not easy for you to keep a record of everything. So just take a book and a pen. Keep noting down what I say. The more thing and you know it's very interesting, you can really focus on it. If not interesting, unaachana nayo. Yeah. But gold liquidity, never joke with them. Hizo liquidity nikizimaka zinakuanga poa sana. I don't think we have anything else to say, unless someone else has something to say. Any question? Guys, hit that like button. Let's hit more than 20 likes. We have that in so far. We are going to come back again tomorrow morning. And gold is bearish. There's something I'm seeing. I also talk about, like, you are going to learn a lot of things when you come to my live stream, because I said USD CHF and gold, they have a positive correlation. So ukiona inapanda, gold itashuka. They have the same correlation. Consider pia USD CHF, we may break this area, then gold is going to drop. Yeah. 5 more likes, guys. Session liquidity, please explain. No, I don't use session liquidity. Is on the ICT. Session liquidity zinaweza kusumbua because utapata liquidities mingi, so that's why I just stick to one liquidity. Hizo daily, weekly, monthly, hizo sasa, hizo tu ndo naweza stick nazo. Any other question? And gold sipendi kutumia order block unless it's on a lower time frame peke yake. AUD NZD, Sankara AUD NZD, this one imesumbua sana. Easy buys zimesumbua sana 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 sana, hata I move more than 10 pips inashinda tu hapo. So this is on one, unaona ina move inarudi, ina move. I was really looking forward for more buys on AUD NZD, but imesumbua sana today. I don't think hata kuna any pair, hata GU imemove more than nini, hata USDCHF ndio imemove. At least unaona USDCHF imemove na double, because from the one niliona hiyo entry kutoka hapa ndio imepanda how many pips 44. Hata USDCHF is moving with na double kabisa. Hizi zingine zimekuwa tu pole 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 pole. Guys, can you hit that like button? You have 15 likes and we have over 30 people here. Imekuwa kimove pole 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 pole. Yeah, is there anything else? So if you want to really make good money, hizi liquidity usicheze nazo. Hiyo ni more than half a million imepita hivyo tu kwa macho. Kama ulikuwa na mimi asubuhi na umenikuwa hapa, hii ni more than half a million imepita hivyo kwa macho. So don't really joke out with these liquidity entries, because imagine uanze kutrade huko katikati, market itakupiga chenga. Just stick to these liquidity entries and the market will save you a lot of energy and a lot of time. Ile siku tutakuja hapa tupige pull trade ya 10,000, tupige liquidity ya lot ya 10. It's gonna be crazy. If you really benefited from this live stream, hit that like button. We have 15 likes and 18 likes so far. Hit that like button, because that's the only request I just asked for you. For if you benefit from this live stream each and every day, it really helps to push easy audience there if you hit that like button. Yeah. Na kwani hii YouTube sijai kwa monetize. I've been going YouTube live for over 1 year. Bona sijai kwa monetize. You know guys, I don't get even paid by YouTube. If you understand these things about YouTube, can you just DM me? Because I feel I'm just been doing this, but I like YouTube because whenever I do analysis, you can come back and you watch. Like if you come back and watch this video about liquidity, you can see me identifying this area and telling people we are going to buy only from this liquidity entry. That's the accountability you can have with it. Like the video that was streamed 6 hours ago. Yeah. 18 likes. We need 2 more likes to hit 20 likes, and then we call it an evening. I'm going to come tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. That's when I'm going to do another live stream. Yeah. And also I'm looking for I'm looking for a TikTok account. So if you have a TikTok account which has more than 10k to 15k, just DM me. I want to buy a TikTok account. Another thing, another announcement is I'm coming to Mombasa very soon. So if you're in Mombasa and you're looking for to learn like this such setup, liquidity entries, order block, market structures, and everything, I'll be in Mombasa for over 3 weeks, which is a boot camp, a private boot camp, which will be held in. I'll give the exact conference room, but I don't remember the name. But I'll give the exact name. I'll be in Mombasa, so you just DM me if you're in Mombasa because I'm coming there soon. Your TikTok handle, my TikTok handle is Dr Forex. Cecilia, how did you find me? Because I think everybody on TikTok, on YouTube right now, they found me from TikTok. My TikTok handle is Dr Forex. Dr Forex, yeah. Anything else? I don't have anything else, unless you have a pair that you want me to check it for you, and then we end it out. What is TG? Okay. Euro AUD, let's see Euro AUD. And Euro AUD is remember this Euro AUD, I said this market has already changed shift structure. It's on a very good buy. So do we have any order block left on 2 hours? No, because on Euro AUD we are looking for a very good buy. I don't know how we are going to catch these buys, but we're waking up tomorrow to jaribu kutafuta hizo buys za Euro AUD. One more like, guys. We need one more likes. One more like, so we can hit 20 likes. Oh, we have over 28 people here. Guys, did you make money? You open. What is the challenges you guys are facing? Because I see we have 28 people, and when I check the feedback, like now, if I check feedback, only 10 people wameunda pesa. What would be the reason mbona hukunda pesa? Ama why would you not like take that entry? Ama you are a newbie? Maybe just comment. Maybe you are a newbie, don't know how to trade. comment down below. You don't know if I'll offer scholarship ukuje usome kwa shule yangu bure. You just tell us, is it capital? Is it uoga? Maybe you fear to take entries or you don't understand anything. Just comment down below. What was the reason why you didn't trade today or you didn't take that setup? Because we have over 30 people here and needed to have a feedback of more than 50%, which is 15 people. And if I check the amount of people when you those trades is around 10 or less than 10. So meaning the bigger percentage, they didn't give like a feedback or they didn't make money, of which they are still watching me. So I need to know what is that issue that is hindering you from making money. Someone is saying I'm a swing trader. I'm in new. You're new. You're a swing trader. Okay. So the reason why you didn't enter is because you're a swing trader. Okay. I blew my account recently. Sarah, I'm really sorry. It's capital. Okay. Let me see. So you can be see, is it a common age fear? Small capital. When you come in, kama wanasema small capital hata ukitumia 0.01 you would have made $20. And you know we have really appreciate everybody here. It's not about the people wenye ameunda pesa mingi ama pesa ndogo. On the same live stream, people have made a lot of more than even 100k, 200k. And the same live stream, there's someone who has made 1,000 or 2,000 Kenyan shilling. So it's not about like because if you have small capital, just use a smaller lot size there. I haven't seen my setup. Okay, I didn't know you were live. I would have taken some trades. I need to forest, still working on my psychology, need to more training, and I'll make it. Okay, bro, keep it up. What are you doing? It's great. Thank you so much. Most of the people fear and small capital. Don't give excuse about small capital. As long as your account can take and trade, weka hiyo 0.01. Better you make $1 or $2 or $10 other than, because that's the only way. And if you have fear, let me tell you, fear is because you won't take maybe, let me educate you something. Today, let me talk about this. So I'll share my screen and let me tell you about how to make money, how to be successful in trading. So when it comes to fear, fear is generated because of a risk you're taking. You're taking a risk that you're not ready. Let me explain this to you. Whenever you're trading forex or CFDs, and there's the reality, let me tell you, forex involve high risk. Risk ingine kubwa forex, kutrade ukiweka pesa yako kwa forex it's involve risk. So the moment umeanza kutrade forex, just know you're dealing with a very risky industry. That's how you have to know to learn how to trade, how to have very good entries, and you can be able to properly understand what's going on in this market. So if you have fear, ni kumaanisha una trade na pesa zenye you're not willing to risk, because kama yenye tumeingia hii setup, if I shared this setup on my Telegram nikapeana the stop loss, ni kumaanisha ungechukua that entry with calculated risk. The calculated risk meaning that you could have known this amount of money I'm going to risk. So meaning you don't want to lose anything. Na kama if you don't want to lose anything in this market, then this market is not for you, because in this forex we lose money. So if you're not willing to lose money, then you're not part of this forex, because lazima ukuwe umechukua trade, umeweka stop loss, and unasema I'm not supposed to lose this amount of money. So that's why you can deal with fear. So we have 3 bubbles in trading, and I normally talk about them. So I'll draw them. I'll talk about this before nitoke live stream yangu, and then I'll see you tomorrow morning. So the kit is something. So let me go to this pair like GU, and let me show you something. So we have these 3. That's the first one. That's the second one. And this is all about your psychology, and you're the only person utaweza kujijibu hizi maswali. So I'm not here just ati kukusaidia, but I'm just here to talk about it, and you answer the same question, because you're the only person who can answer all these questions. So these all trading, or these levels, let me call them levels all in trading. You're going to do this. The first question you should ask yourself is, do I really know how to trade? Like unajua kutrade, because there are people kwa hii live stream, they say they do forex, lakini huyo mtu kimuuliza liquidity, hayuko sure kama ni liquidity. If you ask them about order block, they are not sure about the order block. If you ask them, are you sure that the market is going to buy from here? Imagine me, I be coming here live every day. Naambia liquidity hapa itabuy, inakosa kubuy. Kesho naambia it will buy from here, inakosa kubuy. The question you're supposed to ask yourself, do I really know how to trade? Do I have a strategy? Do I really totally understand this trading? You get? So if you answer that question, and you're the only person who can answer that question, because today nitakuja nikuulize unajua kutrade, useme liquidity. Yes, wewe mwenyewe umenijiambia yes, but wewe ndani yako uko na ile assurance like 100%, unaona the confidence hata tukisimamisha mbele ya watu, you can be able to explain a concept and be like, this market is going to buy from here. Like the way I wake up every day, I do analysis of over 30 pairs and I give this direction of this market according to my understanding in the forex market. So the first question is, do I really know how to trade? No. Another thing is the misconception watu wanakuanga nayo ama information ni unapata mtu akona rumors about liquidity, rumors about order block. They don't have the actual information about a strategy. Yeye anatumia rumors zenye amesoma huko na amebambanya tu pale na pale. Even they don't have the assurance about the strategy. They have not back tested. They don't know like the win on it about their strategy. Umepata? So ukijijibu hiyo kama unajua kutrade, unaenda the second one. Kama sababu ukijibu ya kwanza, ya pili ni easy kujibu, because ya pili ni, am I making money? Making money is not about like making huge money. It's about making extra money. Can I come in the market with $100 and talking at $20? Can I wake up today, make $200, $100, $10, $5? That's the big question. Ukijibu hiyo tu ujiambia yes naunda pesa, then you go to the third question. How am I using that money? Am I withdrawing it? Am I going to use it? And how am I processing that money? Because kuna mtu anaunda $800, kesho anachukua na kurudisha yote kwa soko. Kuna mtu anaunda $800, kesho anapiga sherehe, anakuja anasema ana capital, anaanza kusema kwa comment, sina capital, sina capital, but weekend piga sherehe, pesa imeisha. You get it? So you have to know how you're managing that finances. So the moment you manage that finances, that's how you're going to see progress in trading, and that's how you can be able to define success in this market. So these three questions, ukizijibu, you are going to be successful in trading. So ujiulize kama najua kutrade, am I making money, and how am I making money? No matter how much you're making, even if it's $10 or $20, utilize it. Go and buy something, go and utilize it, go and pay bill with something. Ama useme to trading if I find this and this and this and this. By the time you're blowing your account, you look back, you can be able to see, maybe I moved to a good house, maybe I bought a very good thing in furniture in my house. The moment you look back, you won't give up. But the moment umeunda pesa and you look back, there's nothing you can do. It's maybe bills you paid in a club or something. You're not going to get motivated. But if you look back and you say, oh, I bought a car, or I bought something, or I furnished my house, I bought myself a good bed, at least you can blow account and go and sleep on that bed and enjoy yourself and wake up the next day and think about life. You get it? So make sure that you trust that money so as it can really motivate you the next day to wake up and maybe do the forex market. I hope we have really helped you in terms of psychology, and these are the things that we teach here. We teach at Dr Forex. We also offer online. So yeah, I think I've talked a lot. Guys, I hope you have learned. Kama ujesikiza hii video, unaweza rudia, iko YouTube bado, recommend it to your friend, tell them to come and watch this live stream, and they're going to benefit something out of it. Yeah. Okay, so someone is saying my small capital wanted to enter, but the leverage was high. What do you mean by leverage was high? Leverage has no correlation with you taking an entry, unless you see the volume. But leverage, sasa hivi ndo nasema you have full information about trading, because I don't think leverage inaweza kuzuia useme leverage was high imekuzuia kuchukua entry na capital yako ilikuwa chini. It doesn't, azingiani mahali popote. I think for those people who understand what is leverage, volume na volatility, hizo vitu zote different kabisa, so you can know. Yeah, guys, have learned something. I think we have around 29 people on the live stream. I hope you have learned something, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's lesson, and bye bye guys.